Are you in a rush and don't have time to make an elaborate dessert today? Don't worry, I got you. Today we're going to make this incredibly easy mango delight. It takes only 4 ingredients and tastes amazing. It's so refreshing, especially for those summer months. This dessert literally took minutes to put together. So let's get started. For this, you're going to need 2 large mangoes, and you're going to puree one of them and chop the other into small pieces. Refrigerate them both until we're ready to use them. 30 minutes before I started this recipe, I placed this bowl and my beater sticks in the freezer so that they were super cold for when I needed to use them. We're going to whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream for around 2 to 3 minutes until it begins to thicken. At that point, we can then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like your desserts. Beat the cream until you get soft peaks, but you don't want to beat them to stiff peaks just yet because we have to beat the cream again after adding the mango puree. If you overbeat this, the cream will split, so be very careful. Set aside 1 tablespoon of the whipped cream for later. Now we're going to add the mango puree. However, we're going to reserve 3 tablespoons of the puree for the topping later on. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Now we're just going to beat this until stiff peaks, but be careful not to overbeat it. Scrape down the edges and beat it again. Now we just need a clear Pyrex dish to begin layering the dessert. Begin by layering the bottom with 5 broken rich tea biscuits. Rich tea biscuits are great because they're light and crispy, and they're perfect because they will absorb some of that mixture. There's no need to pre-soak them. Top the biscuits with half of the chopped mango. That already looks so good. Now we're going to spread half of the mango cream over those mangoes again. Just be careful when spreading out the cream. Rich tea biscuits are great because their flavor is so light. It doesn't have any overpowering flavor to it. It doesn't absorb too much of the liquid, and it doesn't leave a heavy taste in your mouth. Now we're just going to continue these steps by layering with biscuits, mangoes, and then ending with the rest of the mango cream. Be careful when spreading the last of the mango cream over the top, because you don't want to push the mangoes or the biscuits to either side. Although that looks ready as it is, we're just going to make a mango topping, and for that you're going to mix 3 tablespoons of the mango puree that we reserved with the 1 tablespoon of cream. You just want to mix that really well and then pour it into a piping bag, and we're just going to pipe lines over the top of the mango cream. It's super easy and it doesn't take much. Just like this. Just simple lines over the top. And then you're going to use a toothpick to drag lines in the opposite direction. This will create like a swirl pattern over the top. It already looks so good. This dessert is almost done. The only thing you need to do is just to set it in the freezer for about an hour before serving it. And it's ready. This dessert looks amazing and it tastes even better. Just the beautiful natural taste of mangoes with the cream. It's so light and delicious. You guys are gonna love it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye.